there. This is Chris. Today I just got a package, and I think this is the Bop It Extreme. Let's see. We also have this. All these. Oh, one more. We have the packaging. It says Bop It Extreme. Alright. You got some instructions. I'll read them later. And then after this, we have this. And there we go. We got the thing. Here, let's go on this side. We got bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it, and flick it. And yeah, I'm gonna play it for you. Okay, so let's go.
Solo.
Okay, so
Party, one-on-one.
Okay, so we got solo, pass it, party, one-on-one. And I guess this orange wheel here is the volume control.
Blast it. One, loud, blast it.
And then I guess
Novice.
this is the lever. Okay, let's go.
Bop it. Pulling. Spin it. Bop it. Pulling. Flick it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Flick it. Pulling. Flick it. Spin it. Twist it. Spin it. Bop it. Pulling. Bop it. Twist it. Flick it. Spin it. Flick it. Twist it. Spin it. Bop it. Pulling. Flick it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. What?
So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go follow me on social media and stuff. I hope you do it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's sign off.
Blast it. High score 13-7.
So here we go. What? The heck? What the heck? Then I just got ripped off. Read the instructions. Alright, can you pause that for a sec? Let me pop all these. Oh, one more. Hiya! Other with Christopher. What? Give me the scissors and let me show you how to hold them. Okay. Do like this. So you have them like this. Yeah. Put it this way. And you do like this. Okay. Not like this. Alright, so can you be quiet so I can do this type of SMR? Yeah. Alright.
Score.
Okay.
You can do this. Score. 5.
Sign off.